Hi listeners. Welcome back to Kokotjan channel. Learning English through stories. Now you're going to listen to an English short story. Then write in your comment. What's your suggestion the best title for the story? Let's start listening now. 76. Joe and Helen Mills had two small children. One of them was 6, and the other was 4. They always resisted going to bed, and Helen was always complaining to Joe about this, but as he did not come home from work until after they had gone to bed during the week, he was unable to help except at weekends. Joe considered himself a good singer, but really his voice was not at all musical. However, he decided that, if he sang to the children when they went to bed, it would help them to relax, and gradually they would go to sleep. He did this every Saturday and Sunday night until he heard his small son whisper to his younger sister, "If you pretend that you're asleep," he stops.
Find out the best title for the story. If you find it useful for you, please subscribe, give comment, and share this link to others. Thank you.